In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create categories in QuickBooks Online. In the context of QuickBooks, categories are essentially the accounts you use to organize and categorize your transactions effectively. Whether you're categorizing expenses, revenue, or assets, setting up the right accounts can dramatically improve your financial reporting and understanding of your business's performance. Let's dive into the process. To begin, you'll want to head over to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. At the top right of your screen, you'll see a gear icon. This icon is your gateway to most of the major settings in QuickBooks. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've opened the gear menu, navigate to and select the Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is a vital part of managing your finances in QuickBooks, as it lists all the categories you can use to classify your transactions. Now, let's create a new account category. Look towards the top right of the Chart of Accounts page, and you'll spot a button labeled New Account. Clicking this will take you to the form where you can create your new account category. Here, you'll need to enter some key details to define your new category. First, input the account name. This should be descriptive yet concise, so that you and anyone else using QuickBooks can easily identify what this account will be tracking. Next, select the account type. The account type allows QuickBooks to classify the nature of the account, whether it's for an asset, liability, income, or expense. Following this, you'll select the detail type. Detail types give a more specific classification within the account type and can aid in generating more precise financial reports. If you feel it's necessary, you can also add a description to further clarify what this account is used for, which can be particularly helpful if you have multiple users working with your QuickBooks data. After you've filled in all the necessary information, simply click Save. QuickBooks will then create your new account category, and it will appear in your Chart of Accounts. Just like that, you now have a new category that you can use to organize your transactions more effectively. And there you have it, the process of creating categories or new accounts in QuickBooks Online. Understanding how to manage these categories is a key part of maintaining accurate records and gaining insights into your business's financial health. Thank you for following along, and hopefully, this has helped make your QuickBooks experience a bit smoother. If you have any further questions or topics you'd like us to cover in our videos, feel free to let us know.